Hi there, students. Shroud. A shroud, a noun, or to shroud, a verb. And then you have the adjective shrouded as well. The adjective is quite common. Okay, so a shroud is the piece of cloth that you use to wrap a dead body for burial. Okay, a shroud, like a piece of cloth, yeah, which covers or hides or conceals, but particularly the winding sheet for the dead. But that's clearly not very common. But we use the word shrouded to mean hidden, yeah, covered, yeah, covered in something in secrecy. So we use this word shroud or shrouded metaphorically. The valley was shrouded with fog. The story that he told us was shrouded in mystery. Mist shrouded the city, covered it. Okay. Maybe for many very young people, the idea of sex is shrouded in myth and mystery. Okay, so shrouded, covered in something, hidden so you can't see it. I guess if they're going to unveil a statue or a painting officially, they put a cloth over it and then they unshroud it. Okay, the shroud is taken off it. Okay, so very often we have this phrase shrouded in, completely covered in, hidden away. They used a smoke. They used a smoke screen of misinformation to shroud their true intentions. Okay, so completely full of, completely covered in. Okay, so there was, as I said, a shroud of fog. So to shroud, to shrouded, to blanket, to cloak, to cover, yeah, to put a curtain over, yeah, hidden in the penumbra, to conceal, yeah, to enshroud as well. Okay, so this is shrouded in mystery. That's a great collocation. The city was shrouded in fog. Another good one as well. This affair is shrouded in secrecy. It's hidden under a shroud of secrecy, so the truth will never be discovered. Yeah, it's covered in a shroud of mystery, a shroud of uncertainty. Yeah, as the sun fell, the room started to become shrouded with darkness. The thieves started to act under the shroud of night. Okay, so a shroud. It's either this cloth to cover a dead body, and a shroud, you cover it so you can't see it, and that's the idea. But we use it metaphorically to mean hidden away, difficult to see. Now, to shroud, a regular verb. Yeah, fog shrouded the room. Fog shrouded the city. This project has been shrouded in secrecy since the very beginning. Now, to shroud, how formal? I'm probably going to give it a 6.5. It sounds very, very literary. I would use the word hidden, covered, something like that. Okay? And then as to the origin, well, there was a Middle English word shroud, which comes from a Proto-Germanic word, skruda, which means the same thing, and it's linked to an old Norse word, skrull, the shrouds of a ship. I'm not sure what the shrouds of a ship are, but that's what it says. Okay, so shroud. So I hope the meaning of this word is no longer shrouded in mystery for you. Okay, the shrouds of a ship, the ropes and the cables are that go on the rigging of a ship, and that's the shroud. Okay, so this word I hope is no longer shrouded in mystery. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Shroud.